Hi guys, it's Christina Styles and today we'll be making carrot oil and onion oil for hair treatment. If you want your 4C hair to grow thick, long and nice, you need these two oils to have the maximum growth. So today I've decided to make these two oils because I heard a lot of good things about it and how it's good for like hair growth and all that. So what I'm doing here is I'm just grating a lot of carrots. I bought 2 bags of carrots from Asda, which I'm just grating with a hand grater at the moment. Yeah. Oh, here I have coconut oil melted in a pan, and I have in the other pan olive oil. So for the coconut oil, I've just put some carrot in the pan now, and yeah, the reason why I decided these two oils is the coconut oil would be for my skin. I'm making carrot oil for my skin, and I prefer to use coconut oil, whereas for my hair I prefer the olive oil, the virgin olive oil. And it's just that when coconuts because we're in the winter now, winter months, and the coconut oil is gonna freeze up when you leave it for a while. So even for skin, I'll put it in a tub. So for skin, you can always dip your fingers in it and still use it. But as for hair, I decided the olive oil will be better because it doesn't freeze up. It's always gonna remain oil, so you can always add it to your scalp. So that's the reason why. But both oils are good for either skin or hair. Yeah. Just checking whether the oil has come clear, and after that all you have to do is to sieve it into use a sieve and sieve it into a container where you transfer it into a bottle. And yeah, as you can see, it's nice and clear here and is ready to use. I'm just pouring it into a bottle right now. I had more than I thought I had, which is good. It's a good thing because we're a big household. Yeah, here I'm just grating the onion now because I'm making 2 types of oil at the beginning, like I told you. Now I'm just grating a lot of onions. I have here 2 types of onion, the red onion and the white onions. Yeah, so those 2 onions have their own properties, positive properties to them. I don't want to go into scientific mode right now, but yeah, they're both good equally. So I prefer to add both together to get the best out of it. I'm just grating the white one right now. Now grate the red ones, and the next thing I'll be doing is to fry it. right here I'm putting it into the pan to like fry it until everything runs clear. And when it's ready, it will all be clear, like clear juice at the top, clear oil more like at the top. Then it's ready for use. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. So here, just make sure the heat is not too high so it doesn't burn. And I'll be filtering it now. I'm just using an old stocking cap to like get the oil out of separate the oil from the particles. Yeah, once you've done that, I noticed that it's not so clear. It has to run clear. So at this point, I decided to put it back to the pan to heat it for a few more seconds to run clear. Yeah. So that's what I'll be doing because I noticed that it's not that clear. So this is after I've heated it for a further few more seconds, and it's all clear now. I just poured it into a bottle and it's ready to use. So these are my oils. Yeah, the first one is coconut carrot oil, and this last two is olive and carrot and olive and onion. So I'll be using the last two to achieve maximum growth, which on a daily basis I'll be applying it to my scalp just to massage it in, even in protective styling. Yeah, this came out really good and I'm so proud of it. So try it for yourself and see the results.